weight type with sleep task, and this one is pretty much in most cases, and by most cases I'm talking about 95% or more of cases, this one is not an issue. And in fact, kind of what gave me the idea was the other day I was doing something which had a parallelism issue, and I immediately knew because I was doing a pretty nasty aggregate, and I was like, yeah, this of course is going to cause that. So I throttled it down to max DOP1, and it switched over from that to sleep task, and it finished very quickly. So in most cases, like I said, this is not a major concern. Refresh and check other weights, as if it is an issue, there may be another cause for concern. There's going to be, again, the weight type and the last weight type. Look at those. Okay. If it is an issue, how to diagnose that would be, I would immediately look at your queries. Are they returning results rapidly? If they're not, that could be an issue. For instance, one way that you can generate this is the weight 4, right? Maybe somebody just in testing was doing something like that, and the only reason why the query is taking a while to return results is there's something in there that just doesn't need to exist. That stored procedure or whatnot has something that's just dumb, okay? Also, what does the execution plan and statistics show? Look, when I solve queries, those are the first two things I'm going to go to. Really, statistics first, and then the execution plan. Of course, I'm a math guy, so of course, naturally, statistics are going to appeal to me. And then, of course, third, is there blocking contentions, users complaining about not getting their data, etc. Right? Is there anybody screaming? If nobody's screaming, and you see this weight type, and there's no other weight types with it that are a cause of concern, and your queries are returning everything quickly, there's no issues, nobody's complaining, then there might be some busy work going on, and let's avoid that. And then the third thing that I would note is that you might see this in operations which have a tendency to use TempDB. A great example, I've seen sleep tasks a lot in tasks that generally do heavy temp table usage. Not always, but again, there can be that sometimes. So keep that in mind and check your TempDB configurations and just how you use that in your queries. And keep in mind that can be outside of just temp tables as well. So if, let's say, it's an issue, just review that and make sure that it's set up appropriately.